KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
KeyDigital's KD-S2x1 and KD-S4x1 are 2x1 and 4x1 HDMI switchers with HDMI input and output connectivity and a slim bezel, a slim chassis for ease of integration in space-sensitive applications. KD-S2x1 and KD-S4x1 are controllable through the IR remote control or through push button on the face of the unit. Using the IR remote control, you are also able to set the EDID handshake which you'd like to provide to each connected video source, ensuring they output a compatible video signal with your display and HDMI switching distribution systems. You are also able to force hot plug detection for the connected display, ensuring that through many layers of connectivity, it still detects an active video partner. For more information, go to KeyDigital.com and read the owner's manual for KD-S2x1 and KD-S4x1.